Welcome back to our channel How to Guide Everybody, where we post guide videos. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can log in into your Bendigo bank account. So for those people who do not know what Bendigo Bank is, Bendigo Bank basically is a bank that delivers retail banking product and service to more than 1.9 million retail customers via national network of almost 500 branches and agency for over 160 years. So it's a really old bank, and its fundamental purpose has remained unchanged to feed into customer and community prosperity, not of it. Alright, so that's basically what Bendigo Bank is, and I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can log in into its account. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel with notification on. Let's move on. First step, search for Bendigo Bank and click on the first link of Bendigo Bank over here. Click on this and it's going to bring you over here, which is the official to choose which sector you want to log in. You want to log in into the share trading, Bendigo Super, or e-banking. We want to log in into our online banking once. We're going to choose e-banking and click on login. Once you do that, it's going to take you to the login portal of e-banking of Bendigo Bank. Alright, now once you're over here, you need to enter your access ID. So enter your access ID and click on next. And after entering your access ID, it's going to ask you to enter the password of your account. So enter your password of your account over here and click on next. If the access ID and password you entered over here is correct, then you should be able to log in into your Bendigo Bank's online banking account. And if you forgot the password or like your access ID, you can click on what my access ID is to recover your access ID. If you forgot the password, then just enter your access ID, click on next. And when you're trying to enter your password, click on I forgot my password to recover your password. Alright, so yeah, that's basically how you guys can log in into your Bendigo Bank as well as recover your password or access ID if you forgot it. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye, until then, stay safe, peace out.